In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to research in Dandy's world. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be explaining the research mechanic and how to properly do it. So when you join Dandy's world, you will be greeted with the information. If you are ever confused about something, including the option to research, just go to information. In here, there are going to be a bunch of pages, and if you keep going to the right, eventually you will find on the last page the research category. So as you can see, research is collected by encountering Twisteds and picking up research capsules on the floor. Research in Twisteds is important for unlocking tools and earning new trinkets. You can view your research progress by looking in the Twisteds menu. When you obtain 100% research on a Twisted, you will earn their trinket. These trinkets are more powerful than the ones found in Dandy's shop, and most come with their own powerful aspects. So all that you have to do is acquire these capsules, as you can see on this image here. You will be able to get them when you meet any of the Twisteds, and if you go into the Twisted research menu, you can see the progress for each individual one. If you haven't met a specific Twisted like me, I am a newbie, you will see this message instead, a bunch of question marks, and it's just going to tell you to encounter this Twisted to begin research. So sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this process in full, but all that you have to do is come across a specific Twisted and then grab the capsules that you see on the floor, like this one. You can do it on any standard game, and as long as you get all of those capsules when you see one Twisted, you will be able to earn progress. When you reach 100%, you will have completed that research, you can move on to the next one, and you will have unlocked the trinket that, like the game describes, is usually more powerful than the standard ones. So join a game, encounter a Twisted, and you will be able to get it done. I hope I was able to help you on how to research in Dandy's world. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.